Right. So what are we going to do is, Lamai, we'll be learning on how to prepare a presentation today. The basic tips I will guide you, right? And you have to use these tips when you are preparing the presentation. Now, while I'm doing the the training part, so we'll keep your mic muted, and whenever if I want to, whenever you have a question, right, I will keep some space. I will ask, okay, if you have if I have a question, now you can unmute and ask. We will have that option in between the session, right? So you are not going to have it throughout. Okay, right. So first of all, we'll do the learning part. Okay, we'll start. Now I hope every one of you know about the Next Gen Presenter competition. That is where you are going to prepare a presentation and you are going to present it to panel of judges. Okay, the presentation එකක් හදලා judges ලාට present කරන්න හදන්න. හරිද? ඉතින් so for the little ones, yes, you will have to get the support of the parents as well, and for the others, sorry, the 6 and above, you will have to prepare the presentation by yourself. ඕගොල්ලොම presentation එක හදන්න ඕනේ. Okay. හරි. අපි එහෙනම් බලමු කොහොමද දැන් වැඩේ වෙන්නේ කියලා. Okay. Now today we'll be learning about how to make a better presentation. So grade 5 and below, the parents, so mark the important tips, and I will be sharing the presentation, the cute as well. And 6 and above students, I want you to practice certain things along with me as well. Hari, අපි බලමු. Right. Okay. First of all, when we are doing a presentation, right? When we are doing a presentation, we need to first of all we need to decide the topic. It can be a story, it can be a theme. තේරුණාද? අපි දැන් මුලින්ම මේ presentation එක හදන්න යනකොට අපිට සිද්ධ වෙනවා මේකට අදාළව අපේ නම මොකක්ද වගේ කියන්නේ topic එක decide කරන්න. You will have to decide on a topic. මොකක්ද අපි හදන topic එක. So let's see what are the topics that you all can select, right? It's an open thing, but let me guide you on what are the areas. Okay. All right. So one thing is you all can take something emotional. You can take something like kindness. Ne? අපි හැමෝම කැමතිනේ අනික් අයට උදව් කරන්න. We love to help others, and we love our parents, isn't it? Ne? කොවලන්න මේ parents ලට ආදරය කට්ටිය කෝ බලන්න අත උස්සන බලන්න ටක් ගාලා. Oh. Right? Yes. Right? So you all can select a topic like that even. Ne? The parental love. Or you all can have a topic like friendship. Ne? අපිට friendship ගැන topic එකක් දාගන්න පුළුවන්, right? It can be a topic on friendship even, or it can be about the empathy. Empathy කියන්නේ අනික් අය ගේ දේවල් ටික කියන්නේ අනික් අයට තරහ එනකොට දුක හිතෙනකොට ඒක තේරුම් ගන්න. හරිද? So you all can select a topic like that as well. තේරුණාද? It can be the kindness or the parental love or the friendship or the empathy, something like that even is possible. Okay. Right. අපි බලමු තව මොනවද තියෙන topics කියලා. හරිද? තව මොනවද අපිට යන්න පුළුවන් topics තියෙන්නේ. You all can select a story. ඕගොල්ලොන්ට පුළුවන් ඕගොල්ලොන්ට කැමති නම් story එකක් select කරගන්න. It can be a real life story, something that has happened to some person or some maybe an animal, kind of a story, or a personal experience. ඔයාට වෙච්ච දෙයක් වුණත් ඔයාට වෙච්ච දෙයක් ඕකේ ඔයා එකකින් ඉගෙන ගත්ත පාඩමක්, something that you have learned, or a creative story, something creative even you all can decide. Okay, the තේරුණාද පැහැදිලිද? Right? So you all can decide on a emotional thing or even a story is possible. හරිද? right. මට මේ තනින් තාමත් කට්ටිය පොඩ්ඩක් unmute කර ගන්නවා. පොඩ්ඩකට මේ හැම වෙලේම mute කරලම තියාගමුද? Then it will be easier for us as well, no? Right? unmute කරන්න වෙලාවක් දෙන්න. හරිද? Right. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next topic. හරිද? Next topic you all can select something motivational. ඕගොල්ලන්ට ඕනේ නම් motivational දෙයක් තෝරගන්නත් පුළුවන්. It can be about the courage. It can be about the dedication. Ne? It can be about the resilience. Ne? It can be about believing in yourself. නේද? අපි හැමෝම එහෙමයි නේද? අපි හැමෝටම courage එක තියෙනවා. We have the courage and we are dedicated people නේ, and we have to believe in ourselves නේ. අපි හැම වෙලේම අපිව විශ්වාස කරන්න ඕනේ. Isn't it? Yes. එනවා ඔයාගේ topic එක it can be about the courage. It can be about නේ මම දැන් අර කිව්වේ it can be about the kindness, it can be about the friendship, it can be about a beautiful story. ඔයාට ලස්සන story එකක් හදන්න පුළුවන් නේද? You all can define, you all can decide on a creative journey. ඔයාට ලස්සන කතාවක් අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන්. Or something motivational. තේරුණානේ? අනික් අයවත් අනික් අයටත් අහගෙන ඉන්න ඉතින් අනික් අයටත් වැඩක් කරන්න ඉතින් it can be a motivational story even. It can be about the courage, the dedication. Right? Okay. Then or else you can decide on a topic like it's about the future. So you all can select a topic like the robotics, the new technology. It can be about the AI, artificial intelligence. Now they are bringing driverless cars නේ. ඔයාට සමහර විට ඔයාගේ presentation එකේ driverless cars ගැන කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් ඔයාලා දන්නව නේද රොබෝලා උයනවා. නේ කෑම උයන්න අපිට රොබෝලා පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? So that can be your presentation. You all can use something like that even. Let's say you are taking a topic like our world in 2100. තව අවුරුදු ගානකට පස්සේ අපේ ලෝකෙ කොයි වගේ වෙයිද? Your imagination. ඔයා හිතන විදිය. Right? That can be a story. Okay, ඒ වගේ දෙයක් වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. Right? Or you all can select something up from your knowledge. You all can talk about the solar system. You all can talk about organs in the body. Maybe you all will be talking about the brain. මේ මොළය ගැන කතා කරයි. එහෙම නැත්නම් heart එක ගැන කතා කරයි. Or you all can select something from the history. ලංකාවේ history එකේ දෙයක් or something from our science knowledge. තේරුණාද? Right? So there's no limit. ඔයාට topic එකකට මෙහෙම එකක් නැහැ. Only thing is we have to select a topic something suitable to the school. ඉස්කෝලේට නොගැලපෙන දේවල් අපි ගන්න බෑ. හරිද? Or you can talk about anything you like. It may be about your pet. නේ? කො බලන්න ඔයාටම ඔයාගේ pet කෙනෙක් ඉන්න කට්ටිය පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න අත උස්සන්න බලන්න. Those who have a pet, please raise your hands. Very good. You can talk about your pet even. Okay? පැහැදිලිද? ඔයාලට ඔයාලගේ pets ලා ගැන උනත් කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? So you all have to select on a topic that is something creative, something where you can do something wonderful. නේ ලස්සන topic එකක් ඔයා select කරගන්න. Okay. Are we clear with the first tip? එහෙනම් පළවෙනි tip එක මොකක්ද? ඔයාගේ topic එක decide කරගන්න එක. You all have to decide on your topic. තේරුණාද? Are we clear? Okay. Yes. Good. නේ මම පොඩ්ඩක් මේ අර unmute කරන option එක අයින් කරා නැත්නම් අනික අයට disturb වෙන නිසා අපි දැනට chat එක use කරමු පස්සේ මම කතා කරන්න දෙන්නම්. හරිද? Right. හරි. Are we clear නම් thumbs up එකක් දෙන්න. Yes. Good. Cool. cameras on කරගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාලට cameras on කරගෙන ඉන්න. එතකොට මට thumbs up එක පේනවනේ. I can't see the thumbs up. Where's your thumbs up? Yes. Good. Okay. Right. Okay. ඔන්න එහෙනම් දැන් topic එක හරි. You all are done with the topic. අපි ඔන්න topic එක තෝරගත්තා. It can be something about the science or story, something like that. Okay ද? එහෙනම් ඊළඟට අපි එනවා tip number 2 එකට. What is our tip number 2? Tip number 2 is ළමයි we have to decide on a color theme. නේ? අපි දැන් එක එක colors එහෙම use කරන්න බෑ. හරිද? So we have to decide on a color theme. Then it will be beautiful, no? When we are using a particular color theme. Okay, let me guide you on that. When we are selecting a color theme, you all can select maybe one particular color range. නේ? ඔයාට ඕනනම් ගන්න පුළුවන් මම මේ දාලා තියෙන single color range එකක්. ඔයාට purple color mix එක යන්න පුළුවන්, red mix එකකට යන්න පුළුවන්, red and orange යන්න පුළුවන්, like that. You all can decide on a color mix. So you all have to prepare your entire presentation as per the color mix. එහෙම ලස්සනයි නේද? අපි නිකන් එක එක පාටවල් ඔක්කොම දාන්නේ නැතුව අපි එක color range එකක් අපි යන්න ඕනේ. So we have to decide on one particular color range. Okay. And even you can actually mix it up. ඔයාට colors mix කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. Now for an example you can use black and yellow. It's a very nice combination. දැන් මම උනත් දාලා තියෙන topic එක දිහා බලන්න. නේ මම දාලා තියෙන්නේ කළු පාට background එකයි කහ පාට අකුරුයි. ඒ combination එක ලස්සනයි. නේද? ඒ combination එක හොඳයි. Okay? එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයාලට යන්න පුළුවන් coral and teal color, black and orange color, blue and orange, grey and vibrant green. ඒ වගේ colors වලට උනත් යන්න පුළුවන්. ඕකේද? හරි. දැන් ඔයාලා චුට්ටකට හිතන්න think for a moment what could be your color range? පොඩ්ඩක් chat එකේ දාන්න බලන්න කට්ටිය. ඕගොල්ලෝ තෝරනවා නම් මොන වගේ color range එකකටද යන්නේ කියලා. Right? Okay. So we got one. Chinumi is saying she's going to select pink color. You all can go for multiple colors. Colors දෙක තුනක් වුණත් කමක් නැහැ. You all can select on different colors, but try to connect. Black and pink, okay. Purple and pink, nice. Blue and red, blue and orange, nice. Blue and orange color. Colors දෙක තුනක් වුණත් කමක් නැහැ. එකට inline වෙන colors දෙක තුනක් වුණත් කමක් නැහැ. It can be few colors, that's okay. Right? Pink, blue, purple and black. Shera කියනවා pink, blue, purple and black. කවුරුත් කියනවා yellow and red. Okay, nice. Dinoki is saying blue and white. Very nice combination. Blue and dark blue. Right? So beautiful. So we have to decide on like different colors. ඔයා ලස්සන color range එකක් select කරන්න. එතකොට ආරණ්‍ය කියනවා blue and red. Very good. Very good. හරි. දැන් ඔන්න අපි color range එකක් select කරගත්තා. Peach and light blue. බලන්න. Very nice combination. Yellow and green. Super. Super. දැන් ඔය ටික ලියා ගන්න ඕනේ. You will have to write them down. Right? Your colors. Don't worry, going forward we can change as well. අපිට පොඩ්ඩක් යනකොට ඔයාලට color එක ආස නැත්තම් ඔයාලට ඕනේ නැහැ ඒක වෙනස් කරන්න. That's okay. හරිද? Right. We got one saying black and white. Black and white එක ටිකක් ලස්සනයි. හැබැයි ඔක ටිකක් dull වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. Right? So you will have to decide on how good you are going to do that. Right. Okay. Now we are done with the colors as well. ඔන්න පළවෙනියෙන් topic එක. First we decided the topic. Then we decided the color combinations as well, right? Then what is our tip number 3? Okay, tip number 3. Tip number 3 is you all need to decide a font. You all need to decide a font. Okay, api font එක decide කරන්න ඕනේ. Okay, right. So we got one question. හරි. අපිට කවුරු හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් දාලා තියෙනවා. එයා තියෙනවා නම් අහන්නකෝ බලන්න. Right. chat එකේම දාන්න නැත්නම් අපිට මෙහෙම වෙනවනේ. හරිද? Right, we got two question. Sir, සත්‍ය වැඩි අපිට පැහැදිලි නෑ. එහෙමද හැමෝටම සද්ද වැඩි පැහැදිලි නෑ කියලා කෙනෙක් දාලා තියෙනවා. Is it? එහෙම නෑ නේද? I don't think so. Right. Good. Clear. Right. Okay, super. Okay, let me come to the tip number 3 as well. Okay. Tip number 3 is choosing the fonts. අපි මොකක්ද කරන්න ඕනේ ඊළඟට font එක select කරන්න ඕනේ. Right, let me guide you on that as well. හරිද? මම ඔයාලට fonts වලටත් guide කරන්න. Right. Now here I am sharing you a chart. දැන් ඔයාලට මම ලස්සන chart එකක් දාලා තියෙනවා. One side you have the fonts for the topic එකට යන font එක. And fonts for the body. හරිද? මම මේ font වර්ග ටිකත් එක්ක දාලා තියෙනවා. Okay. ඔයාලා කැමති font එකක් decide කරන්න, but these are the recommended fonts. මම ඔයාලට මෙතන දාලා තියෙන්නේ recommended fonts ටික, right? So classically now we use mostly Aptos කියන font. Aptos font. We are using Aptos font. Calibri is a very good font. And we have the Segoe font, right? And Verdana, Arial, like that we have several fonts. Then පොඩ්ඩක් අපිට chat එකේ දාන්න බලන්න. ඔයා තෝරගන්න font එක, what is the font you are going to select? What is the font you like? Right? Yes, we got Aptos. Aptos is a very good font. Arial, very nice font. So lap එක අනිවාර්යද phone එකෙන් පුළුවන්ද? phone එකෙන් මෙමය presentation හදන්න නම් lap එකක් හරි computer එකක් හරි ඕනේ වෙයි. Right? So what are the fonts that you are going to use? Yes, Calibri, Arial, Aptos, ගොඩක් Aptos, Verdana, Times New Roman. එක්කෙනෙක් දාලා තියෙනවා Times New Roman. Times New Roman is a quite old font. ඒක use කරන්න එපා. Times New Roman කියන්නේ හරියම academic font එකක්. හරිද? So Times New Roman is a very old font. Right? For like a presentation type of thing, we don't use it right now. හරිද? දැන් අපි වැඩි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ නැහැ. right? Tuhoma කියලා font එකක් දාලා තියෙනවා. Good, right? You all have selected several fonts. Okay, right. Sorry. Okay. Right. Let me share the screen again. Sorry for the. Right. Okay. හරි. ඔන්න අපි fonts ටික ගැන තමයි අන්තිමට කතා කරමින් හිටියේ. හරිද? Don't worry, I'll be sharing this presentation. Na මම මේ presentation එක ඔයාලට soft copy එක share කරනවා. I'll be sharing. Okay. Right. So now everyone have selected their fonts as well. So is it okay to use the Comic Sans? Let me check on that. I believe it's a good font. Right. Book Antica is a good font. I know that font. Roboto is a very good font. Roboto කියන හොඳ font එකක් අකිඳු. Right. Good font. ඔයාලා හොඳ fonts දැන්ටම පාවිච්චි කරනවා. Can I use tablet for present? No, we have for the presentation පුතා we are using the smart board no. Right. ඔන්න එනම් fonts ටිකක් දැන් හරි. Okay. Then we'll move on to the next tip. What is the tip number 4? Set the font sizes. We have to decide on the font size. Harada, look at this recommended font size. Now for the topic, I believe that we have to use at least 40 to 72. ටිකක් දැන් ලොකු font එකකට යන්න topic එකට. So for the topic, we have to use little bit of a bigger font size. For the body, 32 to 36. Or even somewhat bigger, you can go up to 40, 44 even for the body and go for a higher range. Don't use very small sizes. ගොඩාක් පොඩි font sizes use කරන්න. But don't use small font sizes because then the judges cannot see the font no. Whatever you have written, it's very, very difficult to read no. Okay. Now tell me, the font sizes I have used, isn't it? It's very clear. You all can see neither a font size එක පේනවා නේද? That what I have used the font size. Are we clear? එක පේනවා නේද? It is not cluttered, right? It's not too small no. නේ මම පාවිච්චි කරලා තියෙන size එක වලට පේනවා නේද? Right? Okay. Will you share this meeting to our group? Yes, I will be sharing the recording as well. Okay. Right. Are we clear? තේරුණාද? So the font size, are we clear? Try to use bit of a higher font size so that it will be clearly visible. Okay, no? Hari. තේරුණාද ළමයි? එතෙන්ට එනකල් okayද? Right? Message එකක් දාන්න okayද? Are we good? Yes? Right. Super. Okay. Right. නෙහෙනම් අපි දැන් font sizes ටිකක් දැනගත්තා. Okay, right. Now, what are we going to learn is how are we going to insert a picture, right? How are we going to insert a picture? Okay, we are going to learn how are we going to insert a picture. Okay, I will learn that as well. Okay, අපි බලමු කොහොමද දැන් picture එකක් insert කරන්න කියලා. ඔයාලගේ ප්‍රශ්න ටික ළමයි ලියලා තියාගන්න අපි අන්තිමට අහමු ප්‍රශ්න ටික හොඳයි. Right, I know you all have a lot of questions. We'll have a separate session for that. Okay, how are we going to insert pictures? Right, we'll learn a lot on this area. Okay. Now, what are the different types of pictures, different types of images? What are the different types of images? Now, one thing is a real image. One thing is a real image. Now, I have taken a photo of a dog, right? So, one thing is to use a real image. Okay. Another one could be a graphic. What a real image එකකට යන්නත් පුළුවන්, graphic එකකට යන්නත් පුළුවන්, right? And there's another image type called PNG. Now can you all see a graphic and a PNG? PNG කියන එක real images වලත් තියෙනවා, හරිද? Real images වලත් PNG තියෙනවා. Now can anyone tell me what is the difference between a graphic and a PNG? Graphic and a PNG, what is the difference? මොකක්ද difference එක? PNG image එක තියෙන. I have a MS 2013. Do I need to upgrade to Office 2021? It's better. Right? It's better because there are more features. Yes, the background එක තමයි මෙතන තියෙන feature එක. Let me show you. මම එකපාරට පෙන්නන්න. හරිද? Right? Now if you take this dog here, I can't show you everything. right? Can you all see in the PNG image outside the background is there's nothing there, right? So it's a PNG image where you don't have any background, so it's very nice. So you all can use PNG images as well. තව වර්ගයක් තියෙනවා අපි ඒකට කියනවා මොනවද? GIF images කියලා. What is a GIF image? GIF image is a moving image. Image එකේ පොඩි movement එකක් තියෙනවා. Okay. Now in your presentation, you all can use the real images, you all can use the graphics, you all can use the PNGs, or even you all can use GIF images as well. Okay, the right hari තේරුණාද? Right? ළමයි සද්ද කරනවා පැහැදිලි නෑ කියලා එක්කෙනෙක් කියනවා. එහෙම සද්ද මට ඇහෙන්නේ නෑනේ. I don't know whether I can. So can we use PowerPoint 2016? බලමු tools තියෙනවා නම් පුළුවන්. Right? Can we can we bring phones and Arduino? That is for the programming part again, the robot, the coding again, right? Anyway, okay. Now look here. So we are talking about the different types of images, Lamai. I hope the different types of images you are clear with it, right? Okay. I'll come to your questions later. Hari. Then on මේ වගේ images වලට පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right. Now what we will learn now. Okay. Right. Now this is something you all need to learn, Lamai. When you are using the images, you need to use high resolution images. Again, the resolution means the number of pixels in an image. When the number of pixels are higher, image clarity is higher. Then you all can see two images. One image is 64 into 64 pixels. Other image is 1024 into 1024. It's the same person. Now which one is better? කොයි එකද better? 64 64 the 1024 the, right? Yes, which one is better? The second, yeah, PNG is good. 1024 image is better. So even when you are selecting the images for your presentation, Lamai, don't use low quality images. Low resolution images don't use. ඒව පාවිච්චි කරන්න එපා. හරිද? ඒකට presentation එකක් කැත වෙනවනේ. Right? When we are using the low quality images, low resolution images, then the presentation is not good, right? It will lack the quality. Okay. Now can you all see these two images? What is the issue? I'm asking not to use these two types of images. Why is that? ඇයි images පාවිච්චි කරන්න එපා කියන්නේ? Right? මේ images වල තියෙන මොකක්ද issue එක? What is the issue in those two images? Very good. There are watermarks. There are watermarks, neither because of the watermarks. If you all can see, there are so many watermarks. Can you all see Alami? Metan Alami කියලා තියෙනවා. මේකේ Getty images කියලා තියෙනවා. Right? We don't use images with the watermarks. We don't use images with the watermark. Very good. We don't use the images with the watermark. Very good. නේ එකක් දැන් ඔයාලා දන්නවා. හරිද? ඒවා use කරන්න එපා. Right. Next thing, what are we going to learn? Okay. Now, when you are searching images, let me tell you how are we going to do that. Right? One thing is how to get the high quality images. ඒකත් පොඩ්ඩක් ඉගෙන ගන්න දෙපැයි. මම ඒකට එක Google එකේම ඔයාලට කියලා දෙන්නම්කෝ. හරි දැන් ඔයාලා Google එකේ images select කරනකොට let's say you are searching for dogs. අපි හිතමු අපි dogs ලගේ image එකක් search කරනවා කියලා. So you go to Google. නේ Google එකට ගිහිල්ලා අපි හිතමු dogs කියලා search කරනවා. හරිද? Then here comes the images part. නේ මේ images කියලා එනවනේ. Then මේ එන images සමහරට quality එක ටිකක් අඩුයි. One thing you can do is lamai, whatever the image you search, in front of that word put HD කියලා දාන්න. එතකොට ටිකක් high quality images වලට එනවා. When you put HD, then අපි කලින් දැම්මේ නිකම්ම dogs කියලානේ නේද? Earlier we put just dogs. එතකොට මේ බලන්න මේ image එක එහෙම හරිද මේක නම් ටිකක් හොඳයි. සමහර images තියෙනවා පොඩ්ඩක් quality එකෙන් අඩුයි. හරිද? සමහර images තියෙනවා අපිට quality එක පැත්ත පොඩ්ඩක් අඩු වෙන්න පුළුවන්. But if you all can select the HD, that will be much better. කොහොමද අපි image එක quality එක බලන්නේ? Image එක click කරපුවාම මෙතන පෙන්නනවා නේද මේ වට number එකක් පේනවද මේ? 72404 අන්න එතනින් තමයි බලන්නේ මේක වැඩි වෙන තරමට quality, right? Higher the number, quality it is. We'll take this image 740 නේ අපි තව මොකක් කරේ image එකක් බලමු. Let's take another, see the still 730 හරිද? Yeah, here 1024 මේක 1000 වලට වඩා වැඩි. Then it's kind of a good image. Let me tell you another tool. දැන් මම එක tool එකක් ඔන්නවට කියලා දුන්නා HD කියලා ගහන්න කියලා. HD කියලා ගහන්න. Another tool is for you to use high quality images. හරිද? මම ඔයාලට තව tool එකක් කියලා දෙන්නම්. මෙතන තියනවා නේද දැන් ඔය images වල you all can see tools here. මේ tools කියලා තියෙන්නේ. Go to the tools. Under size go to large. අන්න තේරුණාද මේ? ආපස්සට කියනවා tools වල size එකේ large වලට යන්න. Then you will get high quality images. ඒක ගහපු ගමන් පාට එන ටික මේ දෙපේනවද මේ 2880 1800 2880 and 1800. It's a high quality image. It's a high quality image. We'll check this one. 2516 to 2048. Very good quality. Are we clear? කොහොමද අපි කරේ? Tools, then we went to size and we went to large. තේරුණාද? Are we clear? මේක තේරුණාද? තේරුණාද ගන්න විදිය? Can you please maximize your screen? I have maximized. මම මේ maximize කරලා තියෙන්නේ. For others it should be okay. Right. ඔන්න එහෙනම් මම high quality image එකක් ගන්න එකත් ඔයාලට කියලා දුන්නා. හරිද? One thing is to use HD. HD කියලා ගහන්න. ඒ වගේම tools, go to size and go to large. දැන් අපි බලමු PNG එකක් කොහොමද ගන්න කියලා. So if you want to take a PNG image of a dog, එහෙනම් dogs කියලා ගහලා එතන මිශ්‍රය මොකද්ද ගහන්නේ? PNG කියලා ගන්න. Once you put PNG here, dogs PNG, right, you will be getting a PNG image. The මේ image එක ඔයා ගත්තොත් එහෙම මේකේ අර dog විතරමයි එන්නේ නේ. ඔයා මේක මෙහෙම දැම්මහම save කර වගේ මේකට paste කරොත්, sorry I can't paste here. Right, I show it separately. ටක් එක මේව කරන්න. but ඔයාලට මේ image එක එතකොට මේ dog විතරක් separate වෙලා එනවා. There's another way to do that. කොහොමද අපි කරන්නේ? Dogs PNG, go to tools. අර මං කිව්ව tools වලටම යන්න. Go to color. හරිද? අර මං කිව්වේ tools වල ඔයාලට ඕන size එකත් large දෙන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට size එක වැඩි ඒවා ටික එන්නේ. color එක යනවා transparent කියලා. තේරුණාද මේ? Tools, then under color you are going for the transparent. color එකේ transparent. color එකේ transparent ගියපුවමත් එන්නේ අර dog විතරක් separate වෙලා එනවා ලස්සන PNG image එකක්. So you can get only the dog here. ඒතර ඔයාලට ලස්සනට මේ dog විතරක් image එකට ගන්න පුළුවන් without any background. That's a very good thing. ඔයාලට ලස්සනට images පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. නේ? You can use this. Can you see? තේරුණාද? දැන් ඔන්න මම PNG එකක් ගන්න විදිහත් කියලා දුන්නානේ. PNG, you go to tools, go to color and you go to transparent. හරි. එතෙන් වෙනකල් ඕකේද? Are we clear? තේරුණාද? අපේම art කරන්නද කියලා දාලා තියෙනවා. If it is suitable for your topic, yes, you can do. Can you please maximize? Okay. දැන් මම ඔයාලට කියලා දෙන්නද? හරිද? මම ඔයාලට කියලා දෙන්නද මේ GIF එකක් අර moving image එකක් ගන්න කොහොමද කියලා? Right, let me tell you how to take a moving image. So once again I'm going to search on dogs, but I need a moving image. කොහොමද අපි ගන්නෙ? tools වලට යන්න. type එකේ තේරුණාද? tools, type, you all can see GIF image. ඔන්න එනවා GIF image එකක්. Right, then it's a moving dog. මේක පොඩි movement එකක් තියෙනවා මේ වගේ images වල. Right, you all can have a small movement in the image. මේ දැක්කද අර මේක image එක පොඩි movement එකක් එනවා. You all can see it comes with a small movement. ඒ වගේ පොඩි movements තියෙන image වලට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ GIF image කියලා. Right? Okay ද? හරි. මොකක්ද අපි පාවිච්චි කරපු tool එක? For high quality, you will have to say HD. If it is a PNG, PNG HD. Tools, size, large. Tools, color, transparent. Tools, your type, GIF. Okay, the right. Hari. Terunada. Can we use Canva to make a presentation? Yes, you can use. Huh? Right, but we have to learn the PowerPoint as well. Canva is a very good tool. We are also using that, but PowerPoint is also something that we have to learn. Huh? Right. Okay. Hari. Can we use cartoon images? Yes, according to your topic, yes, can be done. ඔන්න එහෙනම් අපි images ගන්න විදියත් මම ඔයාලට කියලා දුන්නා. Right. Now when you all are downloading images, right? What are the good sites? ඔයගොල්ලෝම කියන බලන්න. Can we use Google Slides කියලා දාලා තියෙනවා, but better to use PowerPoint. Even the Google Slides is okay. හරිද? Should we use big pictures? Yes, you have to use big pictures. හරි, මට කියන්න බලන්න, what are the sites where you all can get good images? Very good, I'm getting good answers. You all can select, and one site is called the Pinterest. Pinterest කියලා site එකක් තියෙනවා. මේ තියෙන Pinterest කියන site එක. Pinterest එකෙන් ඔයාට හොඳ images ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයා පොඩ්ඩක් sign up වෙන්න ඕනේ. You all have to sign up, and you all can get good images from the Pinterest. Very good. Right, Pinterest එකෙන් images ගන්න පුළුවන්. තව කියන්න බලන්න. තව images ගන්න පුළුවන් sites එකක් කියන්න බලන්න. Can we use Cliparts? Yes. When is the competition? September. Wikipedia, you all can get lot of information, but for the pictures, can we use animations? Yes, මගේ කියලා දෙන්න. Free pick, very good. Free pick. නේ මම එක site එකක් Pinterest. තව එකක් තියෙනවා free pick. දැන් හැබැයි free pick එක අලුත් වුණා. දැන් එයාකට කියන්නේ Magnific කියලා. හරිද? Don't use AI, ChatGPT, Gemini ඒව පාවිච්චි කරන්න එපා. We have specifically told not to use AI. AI පාවිච්චි කරන්න බෑ. හරිද? Right? You can use this Magnific. මේකේ තියෙනවා ලස්සන images. Magnific is so good. ඔයාට ගොඩාක් ලස්සන images මේකෙන් ගන්න පුළුවන් Magnific එකෙන්. හරිද? It's a very good one. ඔයාට ගිහිල්ලා අපිටම all images ගිහිල්ලා ඔයාට search කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? You are going to search, say, dogs and cats. Right? So you all get very good images. Make you good on the quality images. So very good quality. Right? So do all these requirements apply for LKG children as well? Yeah, LKG children, parents should prepare the presentation. Let them do the presentation. Parents can help in preparing the presentation. Right. Okay, Magnific is a very good site. Magnific කියලා කියන්නේ නියම site එකක්. හරිද? එතකොට තව මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? තව තියෙනවා Uplash කියලා site එකක් තියෙනවා. නේ තව තියෙනවා හරි ලස්සන site එකක්. මේකට අපි කියනවා Vector Stock කියලා. හරිද? අපි යමුකෝ Vector Stock එකට මොන වගේ images තියෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න. Let's go to the vector. හරිද? Let's say dogs. I'll be searching on dogs here. Vector are the kind of like graphic images. Vectors වල ඉන්නේ graphic images. මේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ අර cartoonize වගේ graphic images. If you want to get a graphic image, then go to vector site. VecTC කියලා තියෙනවා, vector stock කියලා තියෙනවා. You all can go to vector images. Vector කියලා කියන්නේ graphic එකක්. Vector stock, it's a very good image. අර the vector stock එකට ගිහිල්ලත් ඔයාට dogs එහෙම images මේ හොඳ images වට එනවා. ලස්සන images ඔයාට download කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Clear the vector stock. Wikipedia is for information, na? Right. Okay. Grade 4 students, can parents help? Yes. Up to grade 5 parents can help. How many sentences should be in a slide? I will guide you. Mange kiyanna. Can we use this topic Candy? Yes, you can. Google Images, definitely you can. Hari. Okay, there's one question. One is son's presentation. His presentation has only 3 slides. Is it possible to play a short video after the third slide to conclude? Yeah. Short video is possible. Make it less than 30 seconds. Again, best is 10-15 seconds. Huh? Right. ඔන්න එහෙනම් අපි images ගන්න විදිය ගැනත් කතා කරා. තේරුණාද? Are we clear? ළමයි, we talked about a lot of other things. I told you about to use the HD. HD කියන්නේ high definition. we can use the high definition images. Then I talk to you about using the large sizes. Go to tools, size large. නේද? ඒකත් මං කියලා දුන්නා. Right? Use large. I told you. Then how to get the PNG images. PNG images I told you. Then even using the tools, color transparent. That way even you can do. This even I told you. Then how to get a GIF image. Even you can search for a GIF. GIF කියලා search කරලත් ගන්න පුළුවන්. Or you can go for a tools, type GIF. හරි. නේ මේ ටික මම ඔයාලට කියලා දුන්නා. I hope you all are okay with that. Okay, how many sentences should be in a slide? I will guide you on that. Can we use 4K images? Yes, you can. Right? Can we use cute pictures? Yes, you can. How many sentences? I'll guide you on that. Can't we use AI pictures? Don't use, Puta. AI does not give room for us to think. If you are doing everything in AI, then what is the purpose of us being here? So you need to think, you need to improve your skills. So let's try to do this without AI. Right? Okay. Can we add other fonts? Yes, suitable fonts. Yes. So can I insert 30-second video? Try to make it less than 30 if possible. Hurry. Okay. Is it okay to make a presentation like a timeline? Yes, you can. Then බලමු අපි. Then I told you about the websites. Slides වල guide එක අපි දීලා තියෙනවා. I told you about the Magnific. Magnific is a very good site for you to download images. Right? Then you can use Vectorstock. Vectorstock එකේ ගොඩාක් ලස්සන images තියෙනවා. Right? Vectorstock, it's like a graphical image. You all can download. Vectc කියන site එකත් හොඳයි ඔයාට. Right? Then Pinterest, very good site. Pinterest, you all can use Pinterest to download images. Right. Okay. Hurry. තේරුණාද? Okay, neither. So can't we use photos by AI? Like I told you, I said no, we can't use. පොඩ්ඩක් මේකට AI නැතුව කරමු. We are trying to do this without AI. Yeah? Don't use AI. Right? I have been telling again and again and again. Right? We'll try to do this with our knowledge, our thinking, our ability. Right? Now then I will show you how to put a background image. කොහොමද මේ background image එකක් ගන්න කියන එක මම පොඩ්ඩක් දැන් ඔයාලට කියලා දෙන්න. Look here. හරිද? මම පොඩි slide එකක් දාලාම කියලා දෙන්න. Now if you right click here, මෙතන right click කරාම format background කියලා එනවා. You all can see format background. I just right click and here came the format background. Right click, format background. Right click, format background. Then can you all see there's a small window that is popping up. Here you can see picture. Picture කියලා තියෙනවා නේ. Can you all see? Right, picture. And here you can see insert. පේනව නේද? So what I did was format background, then it came the picture, then there's an insert button. Right? Insert button. Okay. එතන insert කිව්වහම there's one topic called stock images. අන්න තියෙනවා. then මේකට පොඩ්ඩක් PowerPoint වල advanced version එකක් ඕනේ, right? So that is why I'm asking you to use Office 365 or Office 2021 because then it's kind of an advanced version. Here you can see stock images. Once you click the stock images, you'll get very good quality images, very high quality images, so good, right? Then අපිට මේ images ගත්තොත් for an example, let's say you are talking about nature, you can search. Can you all see high quality, very good images you all are getting, right? ආපසරයක් කරපු විදිය ඔන්න කියන්නම් බලා ගන්න. Right click, format background, picture, insert, picture, insert, stock images, right? Then you all can use lot of images, icons, cutout of people, මිනිසුන් වට ගන්න පුළුවන්. Stickers are also there, right? Different illustrations are there. Cartoon people are there. නේ මෙතන ගොඩාක් cartoon people එහෙම අයත් ඉන්නවා. You all can use. Let me look at these images. Let me just show you the nature. So see how beautiful that it is. You all can get very high quality, beautiful images from this. PowerPoint එකේම තියෙනවා ලස්සන images set එකක්. නේ I'm using it very oftenly. In my presentation, most of the time I'm using stock images by the PowerPoint. PowerPoint එකේම තියෙන stock images මම ගොඩක් වෙලාවට use කරනවා. I'm using it because those are very good quality, very high quality, very nice images. Okay, look here. මම දැන් එක images select කරා. Right? Right, good quality. Okay. So can you please teach us how to use Google Slides? Today I have not planned for that, but we will do it in the next day. So can't use presentation of cars? Yes, if you want, you can do. Animation of pictures, I'll tell you, I'll guide you. So that feature is available on PowerPoint 2016. Yeah, 2016 you can use. Right. Okay, are we clear? It is difficult for me to upgrade online. Yeah, use in 2013 is okay. My child is studying in UKG. Could you please let me know the number of words required? No, there's no kind of a word limit, but make it very less amount of words. Word limit එකක් නැහැ, but use it very less amount. Can you tell again? එකනේ දාලා තියෙනවා මේක මම හිතන්නේ කරන විදිය ආයෙ කියලා දෙන්න කියලා. I will show you. Right click, format background, pictures, insert, stock images. Then you all can select. Say dogs. නේ වර්ණය හරිය ලස්සන images set එකක් හම්බ වෙනවා. It's very good. Kind of very nice, funny images you are getting. Right? Yeah. What we did was right click, format background, picture, insert, stock images. Okay. Right. Or else you can download an image and put that as a background. එහෙම නැත්නම් image එක download කරලා ඒ image එක background එකට use කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. You all can download and you all can select an image. Say for an example, dogs. You are using HD images. Say this one here, which is kind of a high quality image. I'm going to copy this image. My image එක select කරා මෙතනින් copy කරා. I'm going to copy this image and I'm pasting it. මෙතෙන්ට අවිලා paste කරනවා මේ තියෙන්නේ. Right. න paste කරා. ඊට පස්සේ ඒ image එක වාට background එකට ඕන නම් දාගන්න පුළුවන්. Like this. Okay. So I took a high quality image. I went to the website, I copied it and I pasted it and I adjusted it to the background. Okay. හැබැයි මේවටත් වඩා PowerPoint එකේම තියෙන background නම් quality. Can we use the intro slide as well as the thank you slide? I will guide you on that. Right. Okay. Now we know how to use a background image as well. Call background image එකක් ගන්නෙ. Step number 1, you need to go to format background, picture, stock images. Then you all can select whatever the image you want and insert. අන්න ඒකත් මම ඔයාලට කියලා දුන්නා. Okay? Right. හරි. මෙතෙන් වෙනකල් පැහැදිලිද? Are we clear up to this point? Are we clear? Topic slide එකට student ගේ image එකක් දැම්මට කමක් නැද්ද? I am guiding you on that. මම ඔයාලට presentation එක හදන විදිය කියලා දෙන්නම්. Topic title slide එක හැදෙන විදිය මම කියලා දෙනවා. I'll be guiding. Can we use the topic nature? Yes, of course you can. Right? Okay. හරි. Are we okay up to this point? මේ point එක වෙනකල් okayද? How many minutes for grade 6 students? Please refer the circular. We will share the circular again, right? We have shared the timeline now, right? Can we use background music? Very light music. I don't recommend that. It will be a disturbance. We'll for the time being we'll skip on BGM, background music. Hurry. Now we are going to move on to slide layouts. Okay. I will guide you on that on how to prepare the slide layouts. මම දැන් ඒකත් ඔයාලට කියලා දෙන්න. Right, slide layout එක කොහමද හදන්නේ? Right. Then මෙහෙමයි. When you are preparing the slide layout in the home page, can you all see this new slide option? Here there are a lot of layouts are there. මෙතන සාමාන්‍යවට එක එක layouts හම්බෙනවා. You go to either insert page, even it is there, insert එකේ තියෙනවා, or in the home page, new slide, new slide. Now my personal recommendation is not to go for any of these, go for a blank slide. Blank එකට යන්න. එතකොට අපිට ඕන විදිහට ඒක හදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. You can go for a something like this even. එතකොට මෙතන title slide එක එනවා. මේක මොනවා හරි ඔයා type කරනවා. Say pets, my pet puppy, right? And you all mention certain things here, but that's very standard. මේක හරි common නේ. So what I'm asking you to do is use the blank page. Blank එකක් ගන්න. Then use your own creativity. මම නම් කරන්නේ, if I were you, I'm taking a blank slide. How I'm going to do that? Blank slide, home, blank. Then I go to insert and I go to shapes. Then I select a shape like this. Now I'll be using this shape for my topic. Now for an example, I'm going to say my pet puppy shadow. I'm going to talk about this. So then what I did was insert shapes. Okay. Then I typed. I'm going to change my font here. Say I'm going to use Aptos. Say I'm going to use Slapback font. Then I'm going to increase the font size. I'm going to increase the font size at least. Yeah, this could be good. And I'm going to change the colors here. Right, what I did was again insert shapes. Then I put my description here. Then I change the font. I change the font here, home. I change the font. Aptos Slapback, and I increase the font size. Now I can actually change the colors even. I'm going to change the colors here. Sorry. So let's say I'm going to put black color, and for the fonts I'm going to use say yellow color. So something like this maybe. Black color, I'm going to put black color and yellow. Or I'm going to use say this greenish color versus this color, right? And so like this you all can create your own way, right? Create your own way. My pet puppy shadow. Or I'm going to use dark purple. I can add more colors here, more fill colors. Then I'm using bit of dark purple. What I did was here, right? This is where I'm going to add the colors to the format. My shape here. Then I click the color. I went to more fill colors. Then I use bit of a dark purple here. Then for my fonts, I'm using again more fill colors. I'll be using say a bit of pink maybe, right? Okay, now according to your theme, you all can decide, isn't it? According to your theme, you all can decide. Then I can copy paste and I can go for a small point. මම මේකේ font එක දැන් පොඩ්ඩක් අඩු කරනවා නේ. I'm going to change the font to say Aptos. දැන් පොඩ body එකනේ අඩු කරා. font size එකත් අඩු කරනවා. පොඩක් left align කරලා I'll be adding say in a different way. මම මේක පොඩ්ඩක් white කරලා මේක ඔන්න font එක purple කරන්න. Right, I'm going to talk about my puppy shadow. My puppy is so cute. It's just 1 year old. Then I'm now adding my points. I'm adding my points. I can copy paste, and I love him a lot. Right. Okay. So what I did was, again, let me tell you how I did that one. I took a copy of the topic, right, and I change it. Or you can start from the scratch. Now you go to insert, go to shapes, right? You take another shape. You go to insert, you go to shapes. Insert ගිහිල්ලා shape එකක් ගත්තා. Right? You went to insert and you went to a shape. Shape එකක් ගත්තා. And you can decide on the color. Right? Okay, I'm going to use white color, and I'm going to use my font to be say purple. දැන් මම මේක මෙතන type කරනවා. අතට ගිහිල්ලා click කරලා type කරනවා. My pet is 1 year old. දැන් මේක මැද්දට නෙන්නේ කැතයිනේ. පොඩ්ඩක් left align කරමු අපි. හරිද? මම දැන් මේක type කරා. Then I'm going to left align. මෙතන තියෙනවා මේ paragraph alignment. Here paragraph alignment. I align. And I need to increase the font size. නැත්නම් පේන්නේ නැහැනේ. So I'll make it say 48. Now it's visible, no? Right? It's visible. My pet is 1 year old. Okay. Right. So what I did was insert shapes. Right. Then you can match the size. Then I change the color. I inserted my wordings here. Allow my dog. Then yeah. So let me put the color. Go to home page, left align, increase the font size a bit. Right. So you don't have to do it always. එකක් හදුවන් පස්සේ එක copy paste කර කර යන්න. Copy paste කර කර යන්න. So that way you can make in a nice way you can make. අර standard ඒවට වඩා පොඩ්ඩක් colors දාලා ලස්සනට හදන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, let's see. මේ දැන් මේ chat එකේ සමහර කට්ටිය they are saying hi, we don't waste your time on unnecessary things. Please listen. I have to check which branch is it now. Right? We have to check. Ranuka, we have to check who's Ranuka here. Right? Ranuka, we have to take, you don't appreciate what you are doing. Right? Lamai, please use the chat box properly. Otherwise, I have to remove that as well. Right. Okay, can we use the topic environment? Yes, music add karanna puluwanda. So that will be kind of a disturbance. Yeah, so we'll go with without any music. Right? Okay. Right. Are we clear? So will teachers guide for this how to present? Yes, get the support from the teachers. Hari. Then may make a dana vidya therunada. Are we clear with how to put the topic slide and the points? Are we clear? Yes. Good. Right? Okay. Someone who is not behaving well, if somebody knows which branch is it and the grade, let me know. So I'll have to take few actions. I'll have to check who's Ranuka. But system making one puluwang. Right? Kawuda Ranuka kiyala. Right? We'll do that. Okay. Can we use WPS Office? Yes, you can, but it has very less features, Puta. Very less amount of features in WPS Office. Is it okay to use animation? I'll guide you on that. Okay. Right. Okay. Now I guide you on this one as well. Mama to make a guide kara. Right. Now, like I told you, go to the home page, click the new slide, and better to go to blank slide. If you want, you can define on other themes. How to insert the shapes? Go to insert shapes, then you can decide on a shape. And there's a beautiful thing called 3D models. I don't know, have you all used 3D models ever, right? Let me show you how to use a 3D model. Right? Insert go to insert. In that insert, you all can see these 3D models. Right? 3D models. Right. Again, I will show you. Right? Go to insert 3D models. Right? Insert 3D models. Say we are using something from science, say from anatomy. Sorry, let me take a 3D model. Say we are using something on chemistry, animated animals, industry. Okay, say animated animals or anything, right? Say for an example, you are using heart. Let's see. I'm inserting a 3D model. Can you see here? Right? When I insert the 3D model, isn't it beautiful? Right? Using a 3D model to your presentation, maybe when you're explaining, yeah, right? Lamai, තේරුණාද how to use a 3D model? Right? Grade 7, how many slides? Let me again share the presentation. There I have guided you. Right. Okay, someone is asking, can you explain it again? Okay, I'll explain it again. How to use a 3D model. Right. Okay. Now you go to insert. Right. You go to insert and you go to 3D models. Insert 3D models. Right. Then here in your PowerPoint presentation, if it is a latest version, if it is a latest version, you all can put a 3D model. For an example, let's say I'm going to put a T-Rex here. Right? So 3D model, and then you can insert. Right? Okay, let's see how does the T-Rex is appearing in my presentation. Now let's see. Sorry. So here the T-Rex is in a 3D model. Right? It's not moving like the heart, but still okay. Right? A T-Rex. There are different options, I guess. You can use another, let me give another example of a 3D model. Say this fish we are using. Insert 3D model and you all can select. Okay. Right, it's nice, no? Right, we are using a 3D model, isn't it? It's not a video, it's a 3D model. I don't know how does it looks like if I were to put a background color. Let me just try it. Huh? So yeah, you can use background color and to see that as yeah, maybe as if like they are swimming in water. Yeah, cool, right? Okay, are we clear? Are we good using the 3D models even? Right? Yes. I have PowerPoint 2013. Try to upgrade that to the. If you can upgrade it to a latest version, there are a lot of great things that you all can do. Right? So, is there a 3D model in 2016? I little bit I doubt that. Can we look at the paper in the competition day? That will cost you marks, neither. Until what date we have got time to make the presentation? Your school level competitions are starting on September, right? ඔන්න මට ආවා රණුකගේ branch එකක් ආවා රත්නපුර. It's so bad, රණුක Ratnapura branch grade 5. So I'm not happy. Right. Can we download the PowerPoint? How do I download a PowerPoint? Yeah, that you have to get the PowerPoint, you have to download. You can search Puta and you have to download the PowerPoint version. Unless go to the school and use the PowerPoint versions in the school. Right. Okay. Right. ඔන්න එහෙනම් අපි 3D models ගැනත් කතා කරා. I hope you all have learned something new here. Right. Now the beautiful point. How many points should we add for a slide? Slide එකකට points කීයක්ද add කරන්න ඕනේ? How many points should we add for a slide? Right? How many points? So always remember, Lamai, don't add so many points. We are recommending only 4 to 6 points per slide. If you are using sentences, don't use very long sentences. It should be very short. Very less amount of words should be there in a presentation. Presentation එකට රචනා වගේ ඔක්කොම දාන්නේ නැහැ. දිග වාක්‍ය ලියන්නේ නැහැ. Presentation එක තියෙන්න ඕනේ හරි ටිකයි. Points 4යි 6යි උපරිම. Only 4 to 6 points should be there. Right? Don't clutter the slides. Don't put like as an essay. Are we clear? Right? Look here. Right now I have put a slide here. What do you all think about this one? Is it a good one or a bad one? This slide here. Is it a good one or a bad one? Good one or a bad one? What do you all think? Is it a good presentation or a bad presentation? Not good. It's bad, right? Why? It's so many points. So many points. Is it okay to put large sentences instead of 4 to 6 points? Don't put sentences. We don't put sentences in a PowerPoint presentation. Presentations, you have to limit. If you are putting a long sentence, limit to one sentence. If you are putting a long sentence, limit to one sentence. That's it. But if you are putting points, 4 to 6. That is how you make a good presentation. Right? In a good presentation, you don't clutter them. Okay. Right? I hope you all learned something here. Right? Then this is very important, Lamai. When you are doing the competition, the next gen presenter competition, we will cut marks if you are reading the slides. You are not here to read the slides. Slides reading the slides is not presenting. You need to use the slides as a facilitator to show the images, to guide your story. Really speaking, you don't have to even look at your slides. Slides බලන්නවත් හොඳ නැහැ. ඒක තමයි හොඳම quality එක. Right? You don't have to even look at the slide. You have to present that to the audience and you need to know where exactly the slide. That is the good presentation. The best presenters, they don't look at slides. I don't want you to read the slides. Don't read the slides. Right? You need to remember the slides, use the images, craft it beautifully, but you have to present it to the audience. තේරුණාද? Slides කියවන්න එපා. Slide බල ඒකේ තියෙන දේ කියවන එක නෙවෙයි presentation එකක් කියන්නේ. Slide එක පාවිච්චි කරලා ඒකේ තියෙන images පාවිච්චි කරලා ලස්සන story එකක් audience එකට කියන එක. This one is very important. That is why we have extended the training, your practicing time. We have extended the practicing time up until first week of September. So entire month of August, you all can practice. Can we read and explain about each presentation? Right? Yes. What we need is to explain what is there. Bring it in a nice way. Do UKG students use 4 to 6 slides, lines in a slide? No, for UKG students, it may be 1 word, 2 words. This is a recommended thing. It may be only images. For UKG students, it may be only images, right? So we don't need exactly like sentences for the UKG students. It can be only images. What I want from the UKG and the preschool students is to get used to it. That's what we are expecting. Okay. Can we look at the paper to explain? Don't do that. Now, when you're practicing, you can look at a paper. But when you are at a competition, when you are looking at a paper, that shows you are not prepared. So if you have entire month of August, no, during the vacation, you can practice enough, no. Don't look at the papers. That is where the confidence comes, huh? Can we make a presentation about our kings? Yes, you can. Right. Some words we can say. Can you please explain more on explaining and using props? Yeah. For your presentation, I want you to use the slides as a facilitator for the flow of your presentation, for as a visual aid. And what we need is for you to explain, not just to read, to explain. And you can use props. You can use props according to your theme. Sometimes if it is about your pet, maybe an image of your puppy, or if it is about the nature, you can show a plant or something like that. A prop is some real thing that you can use. Prop එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ ඇත්ත දෙයක් අපිට පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් මේ කතාව අපිට පරිසරය ගැන කියනවා මම ප්ලාස්ටික් බෝතලයක් වෙනවා. I'll be showing a plastic bottle. How much of damage is caused by this plastic bottle or something like that. So will the judges ask questions about the tools we used? Yeah, I'll be in the panel of judges. I'll be asking. Can we look at the animation? Yeah, I'll show you the animations as well. Right. Can we do AI? I've been telling this again and again and again and again. I'm asking you not to use AI. Now we can figure it out if you are using AI, yeah? Right? So we know that if you are using AI, right? Okay. One question. For the lower grades, are parents allowed to prepare the presentation? Maybe some presentations look professionally printed, and I was wondering if they not receive marks. No, for the little ones, parents can help. So that has been permitted, no. So the parents up to grade 5, parents can support in preparing the presentation, right? So that permission is given, so that you all have to use it accordingly and use the abilities to prepare the presentation accordingly, so that you all can get the help up to grade 5. But grade 6 upwards, students, you all need to do that. Okay. The topic AI, sorry Binuli, topic AI, yes, topic AI you can use. Sorry, my bad. Right. Grade 10, we want to use 4 to 5 slides with the limited words in each slide. Lama, always remember the presentation, you don't have to clutter with a lot of other things. Story should be with you, not in the slide. Slide story slide is just to support. Can we use a mobile phone, a bell as a prop? Yeah, according to your topic, yes. Sir, will the judges ask questions? Yes, we will. We will ask. How to insert picture by using a shape? Okay, that I couldn't catch you. You mean to insert a picture inside a shape? Shape එකක් ඇතුළට picture එකක් දාන එක ගැනද කියන්නේ? Yeah. Sorry. You mean say I'm going to insert something like this, then I can actually go to insert pictures stock. What I did was I inserted then shape. Then I clicked here. I make a click kara. I went to pictures, stock images, pictures, stock images. Then I can select a topic. Say fish. So I'm going to insert this image of fish. So this I can put this inside the, if you really want, you can do it like this. I don't know whether you have asked this one, right? Really speaking, you don't need a slide. Shape එක. I don't know the purpose, but I hope I have answered. Right. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you about the animations and the transitions. Animations and the transitions. Okay, what are we going to learn on animations and the transitions? Right. Let me tell you. Animations and the transitions. Lamai, one thing is, I'm not recommending you to use the transitions. Transitions pavichi nokara inda. If you really want to use a transition, the recommended one is to, the transition means page to page. Yeah? Right. If I want to use a transition, so in the tabs you got transitions, and there's a page curl, right? Transitions under, go down here, arrow. Page curl is somewhat a good transition here, like this. It's as if like a page is turning. It's as if like a book. But other than that, any other transition I'm not recommending. නේ සමහර transitions තියෙනවා වැඩි ඒව එක එකක් දැම්මම කැතයි නේ if somebody is using a transition like honeycomb, say, it's too much, it's ugly, we don't use that here නේ ඒව කැතයිනේ ඒක හරියන්නේ. So don't use transitions. When it comes to transition, if you really want, go to page curl. Page curl කියන transition එකට යන්න. Otherwise don't use. Animations. කොහොමද අපි animation එකක් use කරන්නේ? Let me tell you how to use an animation. Okay. Now say I'm going to use some shapes here. Sorry. I'm going to tell you okay, how to use an animation. I'll use this slide. Right. Now I'm going to use an animation. So for the topic, I'll keep it as it is. For this, I'm going to use an animation. Go to animations, and you all can see a lot of animations here. There are a lot of animations, right? Appear, fade, fly in, float. But professionally, we generally use only the appear, right? We don't use so many other transitions, right? There are so many other things. For an example, bounce. We don't use it even in professional setup. We don't use, so the random bars, we don't use it. Use only the appear. Appear is a very good one. It's just a very professional. Right here, can you see my pet puppy Shadow? His name is Shadow. My pet is 1 year old. I love my dog. So that when you move the presentation, it will appear. Appear is a good one. Other than that, I'm not recommending any other animation. Anik animation pavichi karanne epa, it's not good, right? In now you all are going to become the business leaders, and you all are going to present. You all are going to become university students, and you all are going to present in university. As a university visiting lecturer, if somebody is using other animations, we cut marks because that's not professional, right? Will you ask questions to the UKG children? A small question, maybe a small one. Yeah, we have to ask. Fade animation to a certain extent, okay. Can we use AI as a topic? Yes. What type of questions the judges will ask? We'll keep it for the competition. Huh? Right. So just join, my daughter is in LKG. Can we use different templates according to the topic? Yes, you can. Windows and tools. Can we use AI? Yeah. AI as the topic? Yes. Okay. Can parents help small children in preparing the presentation? Yes. but they need to do the presentation. What about the time? I think we have shared the circular. I don't know whether you all have not received it. We'll share it again. Okay, now I told you about the transition. Transition එකේ මොකක්ද කිව්වේ? Go to page curl if you really want. Okay, and animations. I'm recommending you to use only the appear. නේ appear එක දාගන්න. That's appear, or even the fade is okay, but my personal recommendation is appear. හරිද? ඒක තියෙන standard තියෙනවා. Okay, don't try to change this and there. Right. Okay, we have learned about the transitions and the animations. What is the solution if a UKG children forget in between presentation? That's okay, right? Because they have the presentation, they can look back and they can continue, right? Don't worry. People might forget. That's okay. We are not going to cut down marks just because they have forget about stuff, but they need to come back and continue. Transition vibe is a good, yeah. Vibe එක ටිකක් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් හොඳයි, but don't go to any other thing, huh? Right. Okay, so let's move on. Now I'm going to guide you on the title slide. Title slide. Okay, title slide. Look here. This is how it should appear. Title slide. Give me 1 second. Show the branch here. Sorry for that. This is how the title slide should appear. Topic. You can use the block letters, and the font size I'm recommending to use 72. Then the picture in your school uniform. Don't use selfies. Selfie එකක් වගේ ගහන්න තු හොඳ photo එකක් අරගන්න, right? In your school uniform. Wedding එකකට ගිහිල්ලා ගත්ත photo එක ඒව දාන්න යන්න එපා, right? In the school uniform, right? Then I don't have the school uniform, right? So I have used as a sample here, right? Okay. Good. Then the name, admission number, and the grade. Name, admission number, and the grade. Can I use future to the presentation? Yeah. Yeah, transition. අපට අනියට සම්පූර්ණ වීඩියෝ එක බලා ගන්න බැරි වුණා. Yes, වීඩියෝ එක full දෙන්නම්. වීඩියෝ එක full දෙන්නම්. What about transition push? ඒවට යන්න එපා. අපි transitions නොදා ඉන්න තරමට හොඳයි. Don't go for transitions. That's we don't generally encourage. How to enhance a photo to 4K? Yeah, that's a question. I'll check on that and I'll come back. As are we presenting, how do we know our time? We'll show the time. Time එක අපි පෙන්වන විදිය ක්ලාස් කරන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. Okay. Right. Is it compulsory to add a photograph of ourselves? Yes. Right. Photograph එකක් add කරන්න. If there's a particular reasons because of your religion or something, then you can get it excused by the principal. That's okay. But other than that, you can add a photo. Right. I hope the topic slide is clear. Topic slide is clear. Right. Then let me take you to the last slide. Thank you slide. The last slide should be a thank you. Right. You all have to add a thank you slide. Okay. The last slide, thank you slide. Slide count is taken without the title and the thank you. අපි tights slide count එක ගන්නේ first slide එකයි last slide එකයි අතරලා. Thank you slide. It's simple thank you. Are we clear? Okay, are we clear? Okay. Can we change the topic a bit instead of AI using history of artificial intelligence? Yeah. Okay. Compulsory use 6 slides. So including our photograph. Depending on the slide count, that is how we have to do because the guidelines are given. No? Okay. Right. හරි. ඔන්න එහෙනම් ඔක්කොම ටික දැන් කතා කරා. Okay. Right. Now I am going to show you a sample presentation that I have prepared by myself. right? I'm going to show you a sample presentation. Okay, right. Now let me show you a sample presentation. Okay, right. Now say I'm going to do a presentation on trees. Okay. Look here. This is my presentation, the topic slide. Save trees, save life. Right? That is my topic. Save trees, save life by Sandeepa Jayasekara. Clear? This is my presentation. Now I'm showing you the slide that I have prepared just as a sample. Okay. So I have put the topic slide. I have put my image, my photo, my name, my admission number, and my grade. Okay. Now look here. In my presentation, first of all, I'll be asking a question. Do you know we breathe 550 liters of oxygen per day? Do you know we breathe 550 oxygen liters per day? 550 liters per day. That's massive. And do you all know per month the cost of such oxygen is 36,000 rupees. Now, can you imagine? Right? Every day we are consuming how much? 550 liters of oxygen. And per month, if we were to buy that oxygen outside, we have to pay per month 36,000 to buy that amount of an oxygen. Right? In our world, what is the only thing that can produce oxygen? What is the only thing that can produce oxygen? Trees. Trees are the only thing that can produce oxygen. Now, can you all see me? What පේනවද මගේ slides වල ගොඩාක් මම දාලා නැහැ sentences දෙකයි clutter කරලා නැහැ. හරිද? ඒවත් ලොකුවට තියෙන්නේ. Long sentences දානවා නම් අඩු කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Right? Trees are the only thing that can produce oxygen. Only thing. Right? Do you all know this is a photo of New Delhi? New Delhi in India is the most polluted city in the world, which is our neighbor. New Delhi, it's highly industrialized. People have cut down almost all the trees. They have cut down almost all the trees. Now the air is polluted to the extreme. And you all know, in New Delhi, if the people want to breathe good air, they need to go something called oxygen bus. In New Delhi, they have something called oxygen bus. You have to go and you have to pay and you have to inhale oxygen. Look at that. Neither. Right? Every day we are breathing 450 liters. Monthly it is costing us 36,000, but we don't pay a rupee to trees. Trees are the only thing that produce oxygen and we don't pay a single rupee for them. And in New Delhi, they have cut down all the trees. Now they are going for oxygen bars to inhale oxygen and they pay. That is what they do now in India, our close by country. If you look at Sri Lanka, do you all know during the last 20 years, our forests have grown by 26,400 hectares. Our forests have grown. බලන්න ඒක ගැන කියනකොට වාක්‍ය දාලා නැහැ මේ point එක විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. Our forests have grown by 26,400 hectares. But during the last 20 years, our forest cover has reduced by 202,000 hectares. තේරුණා? අපේ ගස් 26,400කින් වන ගහනේ වැඩි වෙනකොට 2,02,000ක් අඩු වෙලා. So it's a net decrease. Net 180,000 hectares of forest cover has been decreased. In 1950, Sri Lanka's forest cover was 44%. Now it's only 29.4%. Sri Lanka's forest cover has been reduced up to 29.4%. Every year, it's getting reduced by 1.8%. Think, we have only 15 years, right? 29% divided by 1.8, we have only left with 15 years. Only 15 years, then all the trees are cut down. Then we have to pay for the oxygen bars to inhale oxygen. Right? We are living in a very critical situation. Every day we cut down trees, right? But that's not good. What we are doing is such a bad thing. We are harming not only ourselves, we are harming the other animals who are living. So, my dear audience, let's start planting trees. It's our duty, it's our responsibility. Let's start planting trees. So, my final message to everyone, save trees, save life. Save trees, save life. Thank you. Right. Okay. Now, what I did was a sample presentation. What do you think about it? What I did was a very small sample presentation. I actually took only 10-15 minutes to prepare it. Okay. Right. තේරුණා නේද? දැන් මේකෙදි අපි ඉම්පැක්ට්ෆුල් වෙන්න ඕනේ. මිනිස්සුන්ට දැනෙන්න ඕනේ. අපි මේ ගස් වලින් මෙච්චර ඔක්සිජන් ගන්නවා. හැබැයි ඒ කරන ගහම අපි කපලා දාලා අපිවම නේද විනාශ කරගන්නේ. ඒක හරිද? ඒක වැරදි. අපිටත් වෙන්නේ ඉන්දියාව වගේ ඔක්සිජන් කඩෙන් ගන්න. එහෙම ගන්න ගියොත් මාසෙට 36000. කොච්චර අපරාධයක්ද අපි කරන්නේ නේ? ඒක එහෙම දැනෙන්න ඕනේ. Clear? Are we clear? So I want you to make a beautiful presentation like that. Okay. Right. Okay. Super. Okay, Lamai. Right. We have come to the end of our training today. Right. Any questions? Any questions? So do we need to do an introduction of ourselves at the beginning of the presentation? Yes. You need to say that you are so and so from grade or from your branch. Yes, to do a small introduction. Yes, good. If you use 5 slides to do the slides, do title slide and thank you slide count as the 5 slide? No. Title slide and the thank you slide is not included. Yeah, we need to introduce ourselves. Yes. Okay. Any questions? Can we use page colors? Yes. How are you going to know the time? The teachers will show how many minutes are remaining, how many seconds are remaining. Huh? To grade 2 students should use 4 to 6 lines. It's not a limit. We don't say that 4 to 6 lines, but I will be recommending is 4 to 6 lines, not more than that. So if it is less than that, that's okay. Right. Thank you, Nirosha. Your presentation just touched our heart. Thank you. Right. Okay. Right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining. Right. Do the first slide have to be like that? Yes. Can we make 7 slides? Please look at the guideline. Guideline එකේ තියෙන slide ගන්නට හදන්න. Is it all right to use a photo of the child wearing a blazer? Yes, definitely. Can we add 3D images? Yes. Can we ask questions from the audience? Yes. I wrote in PowerPoint, is it? Yeah, okay. We started from a story. That's okay. Right, students. What I'm going to do is, right now I'll unmute. Let the participants to yeah. Okay, now listen. Right. Let me end the stop.
Hey, sir.
Now listen. Now listen. We will be having another few trainings on how to do a presentation, right? So that we will do as well. Okay. Before we wind up, any yes.
So then we have to do it and show.
Sorry, Buddha, I couldn't hear you. I couldn't catch up.
Can we bring electronics like phones and robots?
Yeah. It's if it is allowed to your topic, please inform the principal, get the permission. And is it in line with your topic? Yes.
Yeah, it's in line with my topic.
Sir,
Yes.
can we start with a small story?
Yeah, that's best. The story is always nice. use a story.
Can we
Yes.
use as a topic universe?
Sorry.
Can we use as a topic university?
Yeah. Yeah. You can talk about university.
Should we make the presentation at home?
Yeah, you can make the
Sir.
presentation at home. Yes.
How can we create? How can we make claim?
How can we make? Can we sing a song at the end? Yes, but mind your time. Huh? Presentation Yes.
Sir, can we talk more than 4 minutes?
Can we?
Talk more than 4 minutes?
Then it will cost you marks. So that I am recommending you to arrange your topic as per the timeline given.
Sir, are you giving
Yes.
Sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Say about pollution.
Sir,
Sorry.
are you using PowerPoint 2016?
PowerPoint.
2016.
The recording.
2016 is okay. I don't know whether all the features are there.
Yes. Sir, are you giving us the recording?
Yes, we are providing the recording as well.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm in grade 10. So my presentation can be at the video also, and how many minutes should be? Does it count as our time?
Yes. Time will be counted by the judges and they will show when it comes to the end. So if you have 30 seconds, they will show. Yeah.
Sir, can we sing a song again?
You all can sing a song, but please please be mindful about the timing. So if the song is taking another 2-3 minutes, then you have to limit that song, a small part of the
Sir,
song.
if we finish
Yes.
the presentation before the time.
Yeah, but if it is allocated 3 minutes, if you are finishing it off within 2.5 minutes, marks will not be reduced. But if it is a 3-minute presentation, you are doing it within 1 minute to 2 minutes, then the marks will be slightly reduced. Okay.
So you make 5 slides. So all are talking, can't hear anything.
Right. Shall we? Okay. Lamai. Shall we do like this? Now I know that you all have a lot of other questions. What we will do is put all your questions to the WhatsApp group, right? And we will send all the answers for those as well. Otherwise, I can't actually figure it out. Sometimes it gets messed up when so many people are talking. Right. Anyway, we'll meet up on another training session, Ramai. We'll have a couple of other trainings. Okay. So now we have to finish it off. Our time is also over. Right. Okay. I'll share the presentation. I'll share the video. We'll get all your concerns through the WhatsApp group and we'll clear it out. I hope we had a good session today, right? And I hope you all enjoy. I want to see James in exchange presenters. Okay. Night.
Good night.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, thank you. Goodbye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night.
Sir, how we are
Good
going
night.
to know the time?
Good night, sir.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night, sir.
God bless you.
Good night,
God
sir.
bless you.
Good night,
Asma is
sir.
asked.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day,
Thank
sir.
you. Have a nice day. Okay, Lamai, I'll be leaving. See you.
Don't leave, sir.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir. Thank you.